This is Igor from HuadanRoad. Now is Igor Explore Factory. Today we are explore the polish finish factory. So come here. First step is using the sanding wheels. This is the sand belt, and we use the sand belt wheels to polish the product. So you will see our workers is on the polish now. That is the first step. And we can widen the belt as per your size. You will see there are a lot of the belt here. If it is wider, then we will connect the different several pieces of the belt together. And that is the first step. This is the second step. You can see here, the second step, the wheels fabric is hex fabric wheels. So now he is using the wax because we need to wax the wheels and then polish it. This is the second step. Wax, polishing, wax, polishing. So you can see the second step, the product is very glossy now, shiny now, but it's not enough. We will have the third step. We have to use the cotton fabric wheels to do the final procedures. That is make it very, very glossy and shiny. And then we will see the mirror polish procedures. This is the final procedure. That this the wheels is the fabric, cotton fabric wheels. So we used the cotton fabric wheels to do the mirror polish. This is the final steps. And just now we see the mirror polish effect by this machine. Mirror polish final effect.